Greetings. My name is Josiah Parker, and today is raining today. Tomorrow it might be raining, or might be sunny. Live in Austin, Texas, and this by Rosemont Apartments. That's where I'm located, inside an apartment, and these apartments are like cheap. Not like cheap.
Well, they are, but they not cheap.
Well, the 3 bedroom is cheaper. Well, yeah. So it is pouring down today. See, it's pouring down today. Oh yeah, here's my friend Andre here. Hi, Andre.
Hey, we almost got part of some pink bottoms.
And look, see, it's pouring down today. Live in Austin, Texas, by Rosemont Apartments.
Where's your location? Turn your location off. We're by Rosemont. You're not supposed to say the real thing. Be careful.
Yeah, and I'll catch y'all later.
I'll put it up there.
Bye. And that's the breaking news. I'll catch you guys tomorrow, I hope. So, good. Bye. Bye. Alright, goodbye.